God of our solar system, who is a great being, contains within himself beings of other power, superlative power, who work with him to achieve his purpose. So the God of our solar system is not alone. There are others. When the God of our solar system, who is a great being, desires and wills to create, this is what happens. He occupies portion of space and transforms the primordial atoms, the original atoms, the undifferentiated atoms. He transforms them to suit his purpose, what he wants to do. By so doing, he creates states of matter or worlds. He differentiates after building or after preparing the grounds, the worlds. He then differentiates within himself pure spirits or life waves into the worlds, one after the other, stage by stage. In Acts chapter 17 verse 28, we read, "For in him we live and move and have our being." We are not outside of the God of our solar system, but within him, howbeit at a lower level, physically and spiritually. It is just like how human beings have cells in their bodies, over 30 trillion cells for adults. That is how we are also contained within the body of God of our solar system. What then is the status of the spirit in the beginning of manifestation? We refer you to Genesis chapter 1 verse 26, where we read, "And God said, let us make man in our image, after our likeness." The pilgrimage commences in the world of God, so that the virgin spirits can gain experience and become one, a creative intelligence, and also add value to the Godhead. The virgin spirit is of God, pure. At the beginning, we were pure, but innocent. At the time that we were differentiated within God, we were pure, but innocent, because we never had any experience at the beginning. So, the virgin spirit has to strive to become perfect. Our job is to become perfect. What do we do then? We need to activate and manifest our latent godlike qualities. So the purpose is for us to go on this journey by activating and manifesting the potentiality of God in us. And what are they? 1, omniscience. 2, creativity and power. Those are the 3 things we need to activate and manifest. In 7 worlds, that is what we are required to do. Now, these 7 worlds, or the states of matter, are the fields for the virgin spirits to gain experience. The physical world is one of them, where we are required to gain experience. The lower worlds were formed one after the other within the higher ones. So the higher ones came first, then the lower ones followed. The 3 spiritual aspects of the virgin spirit were first activated. The spirit, being a pure spirit, has its 3 aspects activated first: the divine spirit aspect, the life spirit aspect, and the human spirit aspect. They were activated first. Then the creative pattern was formed. The archetypes, they were formed. Archetypes for forms, for vitality, and for desire, they were formed after the spiritual aspects were activated. Then the material bodies crystallized. The bodies that we have now, they crystallize along the creative pattern of the archetypes. The dense body as we have it, the vital body, and then the desire body. They are crystallizations of the archetypes, and the mind serves as the link. The material counterpart of the divine spirit is this dense body that we have. We ever said it in one of our lectures. This dense body, as we have it, is the material counterpart of the divine spirit. And then the vital body that we talk about is the material counterpart of the life spirit. And the desire body is also the material counterpart of the human spirit. So, as spirits, as virgin spirits or egos, humanity started this journey through matter millions of years ago. The journey is called, in the Western wisdom teachings, involution and evolution. Involution is the process by which the spirit had its spiritual aspects activated and material bodies built. That is involution, when it was coming down. In the last stage of the descent through matter, the spirit acquired self-consciousness and consciousness of the external environment. Until the spirit got to this last stage, it never had self-consciousness.
Filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see. Whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all this.